Hello, welcome to Shrishti's Innovations. Today, I will be teaching you how to use Adalo, an app development platform for businesses, freelancers, or anyone with no coding required. This is the second video of our app development series. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, let me give you an overview of the platform Adalo, which can be used to build apps or web apps. First of all, I would like to introduce you to Adalo 2.0, which is used to build custom responsive apps without code. You can publish it anywhere, be it on desktop, tablet, or your mobile phone. You can customize the screen sizes, there's a responsive screen scaling, and much more. I will be adding the link in the description. You can check out more through that. So without any further ado, let's start with building our first app. This is the first screen which you get when you log in. So first you have to choose the platform where you want to make your app. For example, I want to make a responsive app, so I have chosen mobile, tablet, and desktop. I want to create a to-do list app, so I have chosen the template, and then I will name it example. Or example, let's name it our first app. Who are the users of this app? Customers of my startup, existing customers or community? Mostly me. I'm just testing both internal and external users. Internal users, co-workers, or employees. So I will select mostly me. I'm just testing. Now you have to choose the primary color and secondary color of your app. So I'll choose dark blue as a primary color and light blue as the secondary color. And click on create. It will open the main screen. Here are the tabs like welcome tab. You can customize it as per your wish. For example, I want to name it do it, not to do. So I can do that. So there is a sign up option or login option. Already have an account is a login option. You can also link it with other pages. Like I have linked it with the login page. Just change it. Won't do it. So here's the login page. The sign up page. You can also check out the layout here. So yeah, you can decide if it has to be visible on only desktop, tablet, or mobile. As I want it to be responsive, I will keep all of it. I will not hide any. So let's proceed. You can customize the app bar here. You can see all the components here. So you can add the two rules. Here it will show the completed ones, and here you can add, like, will show the ones you have added, and here you can add the rules. You can add subtasks. Let's edit it here too. Do it. And you can check out in the screens here. You may be able to see some lines here. So these are the connectors which connect one page to the other. This is the dark mode. Let's edit the titles of all of them. Yeah. And done. You can select like this, select any components. Now let's explore the menu. We can click on this to add a screen or component, simple list, tab bar, etc. Here you can edit the branding and the fonts. For example, I don't want Libre Baskerville, so I will choose Meriwether instead. Some of them are premium here, so you can choose the free fonts. I will choose Post-White. We are done with the branding. Here are the screens. For example, the welcome screen. It will show you the components here, the actions, the available data, etc. The database, we have three databases: users, subtasks, and to-dos. So when you will feed it some data, it will store it in the database. Here you can edit the settings. For example, I don't want it to be our first step. I want the name to be do it. I want to give it a short description. This can be used to make to-do list. You can choose the app icon. I'm not choosing it right now. And share page Adalo panel. I would like to spread Adalo log. Will show on the app when you publish it, because for example, like, I have not chosen the premium plan. I don't have the premium plan. If you are using the free version, the banner will show. And if you purchase the pro version, it will not. So you can update the app. You can see the title has been changed here. And the app layout type, it is responsive. Access and our team members. display screen components, copy, delete, etc. Now you can upgrade to publish your app through Adalo on different platforms like Android, iOS, Play Store, App Store, etc. Here are the analytics, the version history. You can also hire an expert if you don't know how to build an app. By the way, Adalo is really basic. You can create an app yourself. It will hardly take a week or so if you want to make a really big app or really heavy app. So it's really easy to make an app on this no-code platform. Now, let's view the app. Staging preview. Now, I'll sign up. User at exclude from company. Some random it's password. And next is Flutter. And you can sign up. Let's add a to-do. Make lunch for today at see, are you showing now? Complete my TV work till 8. And for example, I have made lunch right now, so I will take here. It was shown completed. I have not completed it. I can just click on the tick button. So I have completed it, right? So that was all.